Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this function in here. So we need to find the value of k to make sure that we have only one solution. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put about natural log for the both sides. So this one we have the formula in here. And that's it about fn8 to the power of b equals to b fn8. So for this one, we have s fnk equals to fns. Later that we divide both sides by s. Next, we need to put e for the both sides. And we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have k. Now we need to set up about the function f of s equals to this one. And then we have y equals to k. Now we need to consider about this function. So we need to find first the derivative of this one. And we have like this. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same of this one. Later that we do first the derivative of f and s over s. So this one we can apply the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have the formula in here. So this one we have like this. So we simplify this one. First, the derivative of L and S, we have 1 over S multiplied by S. This one we have number 1. So this one we simplify and we have number 1. Now we need to find the domain of this one. So as you can see that we have L and S, so that means we have S should be greater than number 0, and we have S on the denominator, so S cannot equals to number 0. So in this situation, we just have S should be greater than number 0. Now we need to find first the derivative f of S equals to number 0, because we want to find the critical points. So we just have only 1 minus f and s equal to number 0. So this one in here, we have s. So we put negative L and S go to the right. So we have 1 equals to L and S. So S in here equal to E, because if we put equal here, we have number 1. And 1 minus 1 equals to number 0. And now we need to wrap the function in here. So we start at number 0 because S is greater than number 0. And the critical point, that's about E. And then we have positive infinity. So if we put S equal to E, go back to this one, that's E about 1 here. So f of E. So we go back to this function in here, and we put E going here and here, and we have E to the power of 1 over E. And now let's start. We need to want to find the sine of this one in here. Let's say E, that's about 2.7. So the next one we need to choose about S equals to number 3. So we put S equals to number 3, go to this function in here. And we see that we have negative 0.015. So the sine of this one, that is about negative number. Now let's select about S equals to number 1 between 0 and E. So we put number 1, go back to this one in here. And we have positive number 1. So that means we have positive. So we know that when first the derivative is greater than number 0, y should be increased. So when first the derivative of y is smaller than number 0, so y should be decreased. So for this one, we can see that this one should be go in here, and this one should be going here. Oh, sorry, wrong. They should be going here. So we know that when S approaches to number 0 on the right, this one they will go to E to the power of 0, because we just consider about L and S over S. When S approaches to number 0 on the right, this one they will go to negative infinity. So E to the power of negative infinity, you got 0. So when S approaches to positive infinity, we know that they will go to number 0. For this one, E to the power of 0, we have number 1. So that means we have number 1 in here. Now we need to adjust the height a little bit. So I will put number 1 in here. So, and now we have the next one that is about y equals to k. Y equal to k, that is about the straight line in here. So I will use about the red color. So I will put about y equals to k. So on the question, they just want to find has exactly one solution of S. So from 0 to number 1, we just have only one intersection in here. And we know that the maximum value of this one, that's about e to the power of 1 over e. So in this situation, if we reach about the maximum point here, we still have about one intersection. If we have one intersection, that means we just have only one solution. So in this situation, we can write about k should belong to from 0 to number 1, and k should be about this number in here. We cannot put about k equals to number 0 because if I put number 0 in here, they will be about invalid to find the solution of S. So that's why this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.